If you own a restaurant and you're still relying on walk-ins or word of mouth, you're just leaving money on the table. I helped a small local restaurant go from empty table to fully booked weekend just using Facebook ads. Let me show you exactly how we did that. Here's the problem with most restaurants. They got great services and amazing food, but with no consistent customers. They hoping that they will come back. They try flyers, discounts, even they spend on Groupons, but end up with slow nights. That's the same issue with everyone. I have worked with a family-owned restaurant with the same issue. They were spending hundreds on different type of marketing, but still end up with slow nights and half table booked on weekends. That's when we start Facebook ads for them. What we did, we didn't run boring ads. We created an offer with the mouth-watering pictures and we targeted only 5 miles within the restaurant area. We didn't go with the 50 miles because remember, restaurants are hyper local. No point running ads 50 miles away. So what we did here, we connected their ads with the conversion API so we get the exact data how many people are going to their online order services and how many are putting the actual order. So what you need to do to run a specific and a successful campaign is to connect your campaign with the online order services, because if you don't do that, you will not get a proper data. So let me show you first the actual data. Here you can see we have run this ad. It's been 20 days and it got 3.3K page views, people visited, and 301 people actually scroll to their menu items on their online platform. We got 26 orders directly on their website. And you know what's amazing? Currently, they got $5 per order right now, and they're selling for more on their online orders in compared to walk-in customers, what they're offering to them. So in the end, they're making more money online with less orders. And right now they have $8 to $9 per day budget. So we know if we increase the budget, they will get more orders per day. And it's a really good budget right now because local businesses don't have big budget and they want more quality leads. So the budget range is really good for the restaurant businesses. And what we need to do now, so the setup for the ads are really simple. You just need a low budget campaign with the traffic which redirects your users to your online ordering platform with a mouth-watering images which make them feel hungry. And always use dynamic creatives for your ad sets because you have more options to test in your campaigns. Instead of making single ads in your campaign, use dynamic one. You can find those options directly in your ad set area. You just need to turn this option on. And when you turn it on, it will give you the dynamic features in your ads. So you can test more than 9 ads at a time in a single ad with 5 different variations of ad copy, and it works like a charm. So you definitely need to use dynamic ads in your campaign. I have a pro tip for you because you're still here and want to learn more. What we did, we linked the ad to Go High Level funnel where people could claim the offer by entering their name and email. They instantly get a pre-retail coupon and an SMS reminder. This way, not only did they show up, we also build a list to bring them back again and again. Finally, if you own a restaurant and want to run ads for yourself, you can contact me. I have dropped a link in the description. You can book a call with me. And if you want to learn how to create these high converting Facebook ad campaigns and want to run ads by yourself, I will be soon launching a school community where I will be doing live sessions and uploading all my premium content over there. So what you need to do, go to my website coccyxdigital.io and click on free resources. There you will see a form. Fill out that form and I will have your email address. Once I launch the community, I will send you the invitation to join the community. It will help you out to understand Facebook ads and how to run successful campaigns by yourself. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and subscribe the channel.